Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2017 Isuzu MU-X stock number 6873. This ran from the second 2017 to the second 2021. It has a 4JJ1 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the 4JJ1 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 17-inch factory automatic flat tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand taillight, rear tailgate, right hand taillight, right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 3 dents, right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory sat nav single stick stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,